Samsung is launching back-to-back phones in its Galaxy M and A series, and soon we are getting a new A series phone from the company. It won't be a normal mid-ranger from the company, but rather a high-end premium device powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor. Well, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy A90. There are two models of the phone with model number SM-A905 and A908, and few specifications of both the variants are already here. Talking about the variant of Samsung Galaxy A90 with the model number A905, the phone has a huge 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now the Galaxy A80 also has a 6.7-inch display, but we cannot say if the Galaxy A90 has a full bezel-less design or there is a hole punch display like the Galaxy S10 series. We do know that there is no pop-up or rotating camera mechanism like the Galaxy A80, so there is most probably a hole punch screen. The processor powering the phone is the Snapdragon 855, so yes, it is going to be the premium flagship from Samsung. There is a triple camera setup on the back that includes a primary 14-megapixel camera, a secondary 12-megapixel camera, and a third 5-megapixel camera. Finally, there is also Tilt OIS or optical image stabilization, which is an exclusive feature of the phone and we haven't seen it on any previous Samsung device. The Galaxy A90 with model number A908 supports 5G, which makes it different from the regular variant. It has the same 6.7-inch screen with an in-display fingerprint scanner. On the rear, the phone has a triple camera setup that includes a primary 14-megapixel camera, an 8-megapixel secondary camera, and a 5-megapixel third camera. Now this 5G variant is also rumored to feature the 45-watt fast charging, but it is just a rumor as of now. So it will be the first time any Galaxy A series phone would launch with the top-of-the-line Snapdragon processor. There is no information on the launch date or the pricing yet. What do you think of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A90? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.